Well, good deal. Good deal. Now, here's your reward. There you go. What's this?
What is this? What card?
This Hamon Lord of Striking Thunder.
It's amazing.
I found this little stack of cards in my grandpa's book. These monsters' attack points are way higher than all yours.
No. Yeah, but I can defeat them with my new awesome card.
Okay, well, bring it in. I'll duel you tomorrow, but I gotta go home for supper.
Narrator. Okay, see you.
Huh.